Do you want to turn a real photo into a Ghibli-style image? You're in the right video. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you! Alright, the first step is to go to the App Store. Here, we'll search for ChatGPT, and we'll download the app. Now, we'll either log in or quickly create an account using our email. Once you're ready, go to the video description and copy the prompt. This prompt will help us make the photo look perfect. Now paste it into ChatGPT. Once that's done, click here and upload your photo. Then press Done. And ChatGPT will begin recreating the image. Just wait patiently. And that's it. Now we have our Ghibli-style image. Thanks for watching.